Hello everybody, this is Junwoo Kong, and today I'll be teaching you how to change degrees, minutes, second degrees into just regular decimal degrees. Decimal degrees being the just like 14.128 degrees, and degrees, minutes, seconds would be something like 14 degrees, something minutes, and something seconds. So I'm going to teach you how to change between these. So let's just say, well, this is here, so let's just use this. Let's just say I want to change 14.128 into the degrees, minutes, seconds. We just take this 14, just put it in front of the degrees. That'll always be the same. But this time, we take this degrees, 0.128, and multiply it by 60. Why 60? Because there are 60 minutes an hour and 60 seconds in a minute. 60. So I'll take my calculator here, 128 times 60. That would be 7.68. Okay, so now that we have the 7, we just move the 7 in the x position. But what do we do with this decimal? So we do it again. 0.68 times 60, because there are 60 seconds in a minute. If I do that on my calculator once again, 68 times 60, that would be 40.8. And this time we just leave it in the y. So changing this into degrees, minutes, seconds would be 14 degrees, 7 minutes, and 40.8 seconds. And if I want to change this right back into the regular form, I would just take the 40.8 times 1 over 60, and that would be 0.68, right? So we take this 0.68, attach it to the 7 over here, so we would get a something like that. Now we take this whole number and times it by 1 over 60 once again, and this would make me have a 0.128, and we just attach this to this number, and that's how we get 14.128. Changing between degrees, minutes, seconds, and decimal degrees. Let's go on to the next example. Welcome back everybody. These are the exercises for changing degrees into degrees, minutes, seconds. These are two questions that I just wrote up, and let's get to solving them. The first question is, represent 18.657 degrees in degrees, minutes, seconds. First of all, this 18 degrees just stays still, so it's 18 degrees. And with this 0.657, I'm going to times it, multiply it by 60, and let's get my handy calculator out. 0.657 times 60, which is 39.42. Nice. Now we take this 39. I guess I'll have to move this a little bit. This is a bad position for it. Let's move it over here. Let's change color too, just so it can be seen better. 18 degrees, 39 minutes. And back to the blue color, and we take this 42.42, never say 42, and multiply it by 60. So that's 0.42 times 60, which is 25.2. And at this point, we can't do anything with the 0.2, so we just leave it in that fashion, 25.2 seconds. So 18 degrees, 39 minutes, and 25.2 seconds. Let's go on to the next question. What is the decimal degree value of 26 degrees, 16 minutes, and 19.25 seconds? Well, this is going to be simple. We're going to have to change this into minutes, the decimals for what minutes has, and then change the whole of this into the decimals of the degree. So first I take the 19.25 and multiply it by 1 over 60, or divide it by 60, whichever way you please to look at it. Let's do that on the calculator, and that'll get a very strange number. That'll come out with 0.32083. So that means this would be the decimals for 16. So I put that into there, and it would be 16.32083. Terrible number. But we have to times that, multiply that by 1 over 60 once again. And that would come out as, let's see, put in my calculator, 8, 1 times 1 over 60 or divided by 60, and that would be even a more terrible numbers. Well, it's okay though. It's the end of the process anyways. Wow, that's pretty brutal. Anyways, we just stick this decimal in front of the 26 and behind the 26, excuse me, and that would be, oh my god, it's the worst number I could have chosen. But anyways, that would be the answer right here. Next time we're going to be looking at trigonometry plus using the degrees decimal and degrees and wait, what? Degrees, minutes, and seconds together in word type problems. I'll see you then.